How to see first Instagram message without scrolling. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you see first Instagram message without scrolling. So for that, you want to open the Instagram application and log in. Next, what you need to do is click on the initials from the top right, or just click on the DMs icon. After which, what you need is here, you just want to look for the person that you want to go ahead and open up the chat and click on the username. So when you go to the username section, there you could find the search bar. Click that out, type in the first message. Now it could be hi maybe, and when you type in the following information, there you could find the first message without scrolling. So likewise, you could also go ahead and locate. Then this is basically how you could see the first message on Instagram without scrolling. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.